Tonight we're running on the right track. I know we never gonna look back.
Hi everybody, welcome to MellowBites.
I'm Paanakam.
And I'm Deepa. I know it's looking different quiet today.
Yeah, we're not in our kitchen. We're in some place different. So we tried to think of something different, like more of a talk video.
Yeah, and we thought of sharing something that's very useful and that's much needed now, how to beat the heat.
Body like freaking out to the beat.
Yeah, it's summer and I feel like I want to wear a swimsuit and sit in the pool the whole day.
And we live in a place called Virudhunagar where heat is predominant.
A lot of things get damaged by the heat. Example, my skin, I get a lot of rashes, it's sweaty, you'll get icky and you'll just smell bad. Yeah, example, my brother stinks the whole summer. Don't tell, put that in the comments. My brother sweats a lot and he smells. His hair is like so sweaty.
So I asked him to take a shower every day during summer.
You will feel super hot, and today we're going to be sharing some tips and tricks and some hacks that you can follow this summer to have healthy skin and be beautiful at the end of the year. Number 1.
Mother Nature is so sweet and so special that it always gifts us with what we need during that time. So, because it's super hot, we should always try to eat that Mother Nature gifts us. And in our place, we have something delicious that's very tasty, more than a dessert. It's exactly like jelly and kids go gaga over the dish. Look at this. This is called nongu. And
yeah, it's better than ice cream.
Look at it, how it shakes. Nongu is Mother Nature's gift to us and you should just try to have this during
summer.
Yeah.
It's from the palm tree and it is a super delicious. It's like I'm in heaven.
Yeah. And having tender coconut frequently also helps you keep yourself very cool during summer. And look at the pudding. Wow, this is another jelly that you could ever have.
Yeah, coconut is so nice. I love consuming the coconut flesh. I love having the juice. And we even use coconut oil on our hair to keep our hair from getting dry.
Instead of drinking the coconut with a straw, try having it like this over the mouth.
Yeah.
After this, we are going to talk about fruits.
No, we don't wanna do slow.
Fruits. How much fruits you consume is so much important because again Mother Nature has gifted us with so much of tons of fruits that keeps you hydrated and it's super delicious during summers.
Yeah, there are so many varieties of fruits and especially during the summers you'll be craving for things that have a lot of water content like watermelons, oranges, musmelons, there's cantaloupes. And there's so many other more like dragon fruit. There are a lot of rare type of fruits that you can also try out if they are available in your place. And there are so many other more benefits while having your fruit.
We would like to show something native special that's called padini. It's so delicious. It's from palm tree.
When you go to the store and have it, they'll give you in the palm leaf. They'll like make it into a shape. I think those people are so talented that they make it into like a bowl-like shape, and then they'll pour it into the leaf bowl, and then you can just drink it from that. It is delicious.
And that's like the specialty of our town, and in and around the areas we call it as padani and we consume during summer.
Yeah, it is a super refreshing. It's like bitter and then it gets sweeter and it's super good. And then what it is that you won't even realize that you are actually taking care of your body for the summer heat.
And definitely a big no to some deep fried items like this. No, don't go for deep fried items at all. The culture in every place is bound to that region and climate, and Virudhunagar we have a special festival just to beat the heat, and we worship them in the form of goddess Mariamman.
That festival is super amazing that our ancestors gave us that festival.
And we do some fasting techniques and that really helps us to be peaceful inner, and that helps us to meet the summer heat. And that fasting methods are that important that we avoid non-veg food and something like this, chips, deep fried items, and we have special things that goes, and we'll show you some recipes that we follow during that fasting, and you can do definitely at your place too. So that culture is our treasure.
Yeah, it's our very So the next tip is why sunscreen is important. Basically, your skin, if I even stay 2 minutes in the sun, you can see me tanning because of the heat.
Yeah, and definitely go with the sunscreen wherever you go, and just don't forget to put your sunglasses on, and if possible take an umbrella or a hat that will protect your hair from the heat.
Yeah, another tip is use turmeric on your skin, because when my mom says that turmeric is better than sunscreen.
Like during that festival that we have talked about, we apply turmeric too.
Yeah, it prevents you from tanning, and then later you'll have a really beautiful glow on your skin, and it's sticking out.
The next tip we try to follow is we keep water in clay pots. Clay pots is the awesome and super vessel that nothing can beat that vessel. It's like natural refrigerator.
Yeah.
Try having water in that and drink water from clay pots. We have a natural herb called vetiver, and if you put that inside the clay pot, it's like again so cool, and definitely no fridge water.
While talking about this, you also have to keep staying hydrated. Like me, I have a mini water bottle that I always carry around, and I keep on filling it. Yeah, I do fill it a ton of times, but it reminds me to finish up the bottle of water, because ask my mom, I never drink water before this, and ever since I got this, it's been super helpful.
If you're a sporty person, then you go for a cycling or whatsoever, that's a trick.
So it's super easy. What you're just gonna do is take your mud pot water, and then we're gonna add in some lemon juice, which adds a nice taste to the water, and it's like detoxifying water. And then you can add in some basil seeds or some chia seeds.
Instead of going for a Gatorade kind of bottle, this is really, really awesome and keep you hydrated, and it's natural.
Yeah, Gatorade was not my thing after having this.
As we promised, we are going to show you 2 interesting recipes that we frequently consume during that fasting time. One is Paanakam and the other one is neermor. Let's see how to make it.
To make neermor, take 1 cup of yogurt and add 3 cups of water to it. Mix it thoroughly using a device called mattu or a spatula. Now filter it and take off any residues settled in that. Add salt, some chopped curry leaves, crushed ginger and green chili. Neermor is ready to consume. To make Paanakam, to 3 cups of water add tamarind, jaggery, palm sugar, lemon juice, and mix it thoroughly and let it sit for 1 hour. Paanakam is ready to consume.
I would like to share you an interesting biryani recipe. We just make fun, it's called ice biryani. Actually, it is palaya soru and
Old rice.
yeah, and when you consume that, you feel like you have switched on an AC inside your body.
To a cup of cooked rice, add water until immersed and a tablespoon of yogurt and let it sit overnight. The next day morning, ice biryani is ready. You can serve it with sautéed shallots or green chilies, or as such fresh.
Last but not least,
From March 14, the fasting starts in our hometown, and it's going to be for 21 days. And after 21 days, we'll show how the festival goes, and you'll be super surprised, and you'll love to see the culture and the rich heritage behind that.
so I hope you guys love our tips and tricks and hacks.
Thank you for watching, guys.
Yeah.
Hope you liked our video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.
Also, if you want some more talk videos like this, make sure to leave it in the comment below.
Yeah, we enjoyed having a chit chat with you because we felt like we are talking to you personally and sharing tons of tips. Thanks for watching, guys.
See you in our next video.
Bye.